Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you are doing very well. If you follow my Facebook page or YouTube channel, you will know that I am taking the 21 days hard challenge to fix my body structure and maintain my study routine, pairs, and etc. etc. It was the first day of my 21 days challenge, and I was woke up in the morning and 5:15 a.m. Then my niece came to my room and asked me if I will drop her to her madrasa. It will be very nice, and I took him and go to his madrasa by auto rickshaw, and then I feel the natural airs that makes my mind fresh. And I am taking the decision when I will come back. I will definitely come my home by walking, and I will see the different scenario of nature which refresh my mind. And when I see the scenario of the natural beauty, it gives me to work. It gives me to work highly motivated. Then I came to my room and I brushed my teeth properly. Then I take my oju to prayer my Fajr Salah, which I could not prayer at the proper time. That's why I am praying my Fajr Salah at 6:30 a.m. Then I am decided to reciting the Holy Quran at least 1 hour with the Bengali meanings, and the it gives me the spiritual and mental peace, which actually needed myself to grow myself, to enrich myself. And the reciting of the Holy Quran is very important for as a Muslim, because it enrich our both spiritual and and worldly aspect of our life. Then I decide I want to code code. That's why I sit in front of my laptop for coding. I want to try coding at least 1 or 2 hour, but I just code 40 or 45 minutes. I could not focus on my coding because of my mental aspect and my lifestyle, which I was late the last few years or month. That's why I could not focus on my coding. Then I take my first meal, which includes just a chickpeas. The chickpeas is very healthy for us. Chickpeas has the most important things. It has just protein, carb, and good fat, which is very important for maintain our weight. And it also gives me to some calories which I need for the gym. Then I again go to my niece madrasa to provide his breakfast. Then I when I was come back to my room, I cannot control myself. Then I smoke, which I cannot to take, but subsequently it just happened. Then I was trying to avoid this, but I could not. After that, when I am on the I come back on my room, I listening a podcast of Dr. Bellumani, and he is just an awesome guy, and he is a poor guy of I don't know the district, but he is India. Then he came to the Mumbai and take a job, and then he takes his MSc degree of thyroid, and after that he take the his PhD degree on the thyroid. After that 20 years of his struggles, he make a company named Thyrocare, And you know the thyroid company is the largest and biggest company of thyroid testing in India and world also. And he gives me some aspect of life, how we can think of our life, how we can accept the problem and fix the problem as well as. And it makes me enrich in my mental aspect also. then i then I go to the mosques to prayer my Johor Salat. After that, I come back and I take my lunch, which is includes most probably I think one piece eggs, 100 grams rice, and 20 grams of dals included in my lunch. And it has most probably 60% of protein and 40% of 30% of carb, and 10 to 15% most probably the fat, which is you can say it's a good diet to maintaining my weight. And after that, I also trying to code in my laptop. I just sit front of my laptop, I trying to coding, but I cannot focus. Then I just sit on my bed, and subsequently in the next few minutes I just slept away. And after the 1.5 hours I woke up and I see that prayer my it's time to prayer my Asur Salat. Then I came to the mosque and prayer my Asur Salat. After that, I came back home, and I am planning to code, but I can't. I just sit in front of my laptop, and I saw a YouTube video how to fix, how to code repeatedly. Then after that, it's 6:46 p.m., which is time for the um, Maghrib Salat, and I go to mosque, and while my prayer is ended, I came to my room and prepare myself to go to the gym. And 10 to 15 minutes I came to the gym, and I take twin 1 hour of exercising. Then I have to go to my niece Mox to come back her home. So I went to uh, my niece Anisha, Fatiha Sultana Anisha's madrasa, and I took him to the room. And after that I will shower, and then I planning in the next day how I will execute my plans. And I note down how to execute my plans. And then um, I see in the YouTube some motivational speech to motivate myself to focus myself to complete the journey of 21 days. That's the end date of my first day of 21 day. Thank you so much. If you struggle like me, and if you struggle to make reboot yourself with encouragement, with me also, you can follow my YouTube channel Hustle with Mohsin, and my Facebook page Hustle with Mohsin, and you can go to the TikTok Hustle with Mohsin. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay focused and stay connected. Thank you so much.